You know how sometimes you hold off doing something just because that one person tells you it's too expensive or risky, when in reality, that person you listen to probably hasn't built the business you want, and you end up missing out on a great opportunity. Well, I've recently sold over $100,000 worth of products on Amazon FBA, and today I want to bust through 5 most common myths about Amazon FBA so that you can get the most updated and real information. Without further ado, let's dive in. The first common myth that prevents many beginners from starting their Amazon FBA businesses is that they believe it costs a lot to start. While it's true there are some upfront costs such as product sourcing and shipping fees, it really doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, you can start with as little as a few $100s and scale up from there. Amazon takes care of most of the logistics, which means you can focus on finding the right products and building your brand. Starting with a small budget doesn't mean you won't profit, but it just might take you a little longer. For example, you can start by sourcing a smaller quantity of lower priced product from a wholesaler or manufacturer. You can also save costs by choosing lighter product, so that can help reduce your shipping costs as well. Then you can create a basic listing and optimize it for search with relevant keywords and product images. You can also utilize Amazon's advertising tools to drive traffic to your listing to increase sales at the beginning. By starting small and gradually reinvesting your profits into your business, you can grow your Amazon FBA business over time. Another myth a lot of beginners believe is that there are too many sellers on Amazon and that it's impossible to succeed because of the competition. Now, many people believe this myth because it's easy to see how many sellers are on the platform, and it can sometimes feel overwhelming. But the truth is that there are countless opportunities available on Amazon. According to marketplace polls, there are over 9.7 million sellers on Amazon worldwide, but only 1.9 million of them are actively selling. This means there's a vast number of sellers who have given up due to poor management of their businesses. Additionally, Amazon's customer base is always growing, which means there are more opportunities for you to make money than ever before. For example, if we take a quick look at the new releases page on Amazon, we can easily find a product. Let's just check out this gel seat cushion and see how much it's making per month. Let me pull up the data about this product. We can see that this product is making over $100,000 revenue a month, and it's only created just a little over a month ago, and it only has 34 review count. If you can easily find new sellers on Amazon achieve such level of success, what makes you think you can't? Besides, by researching and finding a profitable product, optimizing your listing, and building a compelling brand, you can definitely stand out from the competition. What I mean by that is, let's say if you find a winning product in the pet supplies category, instead of selling just another generic Me Too product like any other seller, research on the current sellers and products, especially their review section, so that you can see how you can improve the product to stand out. You can also double down on building a compelling brand that connects with your target audience on a deeper level, so people will choose your product over others. Before moving on to the next myth, I wanted to let you know if you're interested in learning the proven system to make passive income on Amazon FBA, you can sign up for my on-demand free masterclass to learn the 4-step framework to build a profitable Amazon FBA business. You can find the link in the description box below. The next myth I want to talk about is that many people believe that Amazon FBA is too complicated and that it's too difficult to learn all the ins and outs of the platform. While having technical knowledge can be helpful, it's not a requirement for success. The truth is, Amazon FBA is designed to be very user-friendly and accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a tech expert to create product listings, manage inventory, and fulfill orders. Amazon also provides a comprehensive Seller Central dashboard that allows sellers to manage all aspects of their business from one place. Additionally, Amazon itself has a vast library of resources to help sellers get started and learn the ropes. If you're worried about not having the right knowledge to successfully choose a winning product, source, and ship the product, there's actually a ton of resources online. If you wish to learn things in a more structured way and see better results, I highly suggest you to invest in courses and mentorship. A good place to start is my free masterclass, where you will learn the step-by-step framework to build build a profitable Amazon FBA business. And you can find the link for that in the description box below. Another myth that often prevents people from making money with Amazon FBA is the belief that it's too time consuming. Many people believe that they'll need to spend all of their time managing their business, leaving no time for anything else. While it's true that starting a business requires time and effort, it's also possible to start an Amazon FBA business while working a full-time job. In fact, most students inside my Amazon FBA course, the Private Label Academy, are still working a full-time job, and they're mainly spending their spare time on building their Amazon FBA businesses. It's really all about time management and prioritization. By dedicating just a few hours each day or each week to your Amazon FBA business, you're really able to gradually grow your business and eventually achieve financial freedom. Plus, the great part is once you launch your product and have everything set up and running smoothly, your whole business is pretty much automated, and there's really nothing much for you to do. For instance, when a customer purchases your product, Amazon is doing all the rest for you, including picking, packing, and shipping the product for you, which means whenever you make a sale, you just sit back and get paid. In fact, many Amazon FBA sellers, including myself, only spend a few hours each week managing their businesses, leaving plenty of time for other things, no matter if it's doing things you truly enjoy, spending time with your loved ones, or traveling. And with the right tools and systems in place, you can totally streamline your business even further, freeing up even more and more time for yourself. Next, many people are deterred from starting an Amazon FBA business because they believe it's too risky. They worry they might lose their investment or not make a profit, and they're not willing to take that risk. The truth is, there are risks involved in any business venture, and Amazon FBA actually provides a very low risk of starting a business. For example, you don't have to invest in a physical store or hire employees, which largely reduces your overhead costs. The more important reason is that you will be able to do extensive product and market research to ensure this product is viable before making any investment. For instance, you can utilize a product research tool such as Helium 10 to check if this product is bringing in high revenues for existing sellers and that these sellers don't have a lot of reviews. And this is only one of the many important factors that I teach my students to look at inside my Amazon FBA course, the Private Label Academy. Not only that, Amazon provides many tools and resources to help sellers minimize their risk and increase their chances of success. For example, Amazon provides detailed sales data that can help you make informed decisions about which products to sell. You can also use Amazon's advertising platform to promote your products and increase your visibility on the platform. And the truth is, all successful Amazon FBA sellers all took on a certain level of risk, started small, and gradually scaled their business over time. By starting with a small investment and carefully monitor your sales data, you're really able to minimize your risk while building a profitable Amazon FBA business. In conclusion, the 5 myths about Amazon FBA we discussed today are far from the truth. Amazon FBA is not too saturated, too expensive, too complicated, too time-consuming, or too risky to start. With the right system, execution, and consistency, anyone can succeed and make passive income with Amazon FBA. If you're interested in getting started, be sure to check out my free masterclass on the 4-step framework for a profitable Amazon FBA business. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.